Let's understand our third type of DPR, which is scope-based DPR. These are particularly useful in scenarios where the same activity needs to be carried out at multiple locations, and you require a percentage completion measurement for each location as well as an overall progress assessment. Consider hotel projects, for instance, where identical activities take place across multiple rooms and floors. Or in construction projects where structure or erection or ducting works are undertaken in various grids and more. The system calculates the projected completion time for an activity based on the percentage completion of the activities. This remaining duration is then rolled up at both the subtask and task levels, providing you with accurate projections for your high-level plan. Now, let's go through this process step by step for a hands-on experience in creating score DPRs. DPRs can be assigned directly to tasks or subtasks by clicking the exclamation mark and selecting the Score-based DPR option. To create a quick framework, input the required number of activities and locations for your DPR, and select a generic dependency type for all activities. Choose from sequential, parallel, or constant lag. Hit Create to create your DPR. For a quick overview, activities are the things you need to execute, like fabrication, erection, and locations are the different work fronts available for this activity in a particular block. Add required activities and locations in the library, so we can use them in any DPR. Here, we can link cost, revenue, and material with the activity. And depending on the quantities, the system automatically calculates cash flow and material projections. Add required locations as well in the library. Now, simply select required activities. You can also quickly insert, delete, or rename activities to make specific changes. Change the dependency of any activity if needed, and enter the weightage for each in score field. Explore other detailing options as needed. Contractor. Define the contractor working on the activity. Add the contractor to the library. And select it in the drop-down. Set managers for each activity. Resource. Link resource requirements to each activity. Add resource to the library, and use it for each cell as needed. Financials. Set cost or revenue rule for activities. A distributed rule distributes costs or revenue over the entire duration, while, on closure, considers the entire cost or revenue on completion of that activity. Optionally, define the volume of work for each activity, or link the data with specific departments or work areas. All these linkages and details help you obtain better aggregated information in reports and make more informed decisions. Alright, so we've completed activity level configuration. Now, let's move to location configuration by clicking Next. Select the locations. Define your score for each location. Define your quantity for each location. And lastly, you can set different managers for each location. Once all details are entered, click on Save DPR to preserve the changes, or Launch DPR to get the latest roll-up and schedule as per changes. This is how your score DPR looks for update managers, where they can provide updates on the go. For insights into the schedule, click on Schedule Summary. Here you can view planned, suggested, or actual dates for activities. The roll-up summary provides a comprehensive view of resources, material, cost, and revenue details. Save templates of your DPR by clicking on the three dots icon. Enter the template name, click Save, and use this template while creating new DPRs. For more convenience, quickly copy these details to your other tasks. Select the destination task, and hit the Copy button for quick configuration of DPRs. Use score-based DPRs for completion-driven activities, ensuring accurate projections and informed decision-making.